welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of April. I have a trip this weekend, a quick trip to Florida this weekend for an event. And this is gonna be like me prepping for that event. Um, right now, I'm about to do my nails because my nails are dusty, right? So I'm about to do my nails. And then tomorrow, if you can see my hair, tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. I have a friend that's coming over to do my hair. Normally I do my hair by my I do my own hair, but this week has just been catching up on me. So I have not been able I haven't been yet. I just lost track of time this week. I have so much stuff to do, so I'm not. Let me not zoom in. There we go. Sorry about that. I've lost track of time this week, so I asked if she could come do my hair for me, and she said yes. So, of course, I'm gonna pay her, but I'm happy that I have someone to do it for me because of the time frame. This is my hair right now. It's like, what is this? Armpit length. Yeah, so it's growing. It's just slowly growing. I haven't been taking my collagen and like my vitamins, so I need to up my intake on that. Um I'm trying to find something right now to watch on YouTube it's 3 o'clock now. I try to pick up my son around 4:30. They're probably gonna be outside playing because it's a nice day for his after school program. So if I'm a little late, it's not a problem, but I want to try to pick him up before 5. So right now in my closet, this is where I store this is all nail stuff. This 3 cabinet thing. So I'm going to set y'all right here, and I'm going to try to find nails that I want to wear. I kind of want to go Frenchy. I'm not even gonna lie, but I don't think I have enough BTR Frenchies. And this is what, almond? I'm not a fan of almond tips, but I might do these. I don't know. I feel like almond tips look old, like an old lady nail. But I might have to do those. Coffin is my go-to, but I guess they say coffin is like a millennial nail. So I might go with the X-Coat. Hey y'all, so I am set and ready to go. I said I was gonna use these X-Coat tips. Let me pull them out so y'all can see. I said I was gonna use these ones, the nudes, but I forgot that I had these ones, and I'm gonna use these ones because I love these. So I'm ready. I'm all set. Like, I have everything that I need. I'm just gonna start doing stuff because I'm running out of time for one. I don't want to chit chat, and waste time. So I needed to get my prep going. And then I'm just gonna show like random footage of me. If not, y'all probably won't see it until I'm done, honestly, because my battery's about to die on this DJI because I didn't charge it, and I didn't realize that it needed to be charged, for one. So I'm just nail prepping. So how I prep is I push my cuticles back, then I use my drill bit and go through and clean up. I have different bits that I use. So let me take this off because it's cloudy. So I try to, there we go. I use the ball, this one for my cuticles, and these two for my cuticles to get everything, all the dead skin out. And then I go in and try to use this one to like get all the extra stuff that's deep within. And then I just buff my nails with the soft bristle, the soft, you know what I'm saying. Then I buff my nails. I buff the inside of these nails as well, and then I put the gel on that I'm gonna be using. I think I want to try the X coat, this one, because I forgot that I had this. I think I want to try using this before, for my application. I hope it lasts long. So we'll see. But if I don't see y'all in the middle, like if I don't give y'all quick looks, then y'all will see it at the end once it's done. I'll show you. I probably won't put on any like pattern on it. I'll probably leave it blank because I gotta go to work tomorrow and I can't. They're already gonna be too long. So we'll see. We'll see at the end what I do. But stay tuned for the next clip. All right, y'all. This is what my nails look like. They're all prepped and ready to go. I'll be back once I put them on. All right, y'all. I just finished. I keep forgetting that the screen is down. I just finished and I'm going to show y'all what I did. I still have to go to work tomorrow, so I didn't do too much. I just did something. But this is what they look like. I'll try to insert a picture of them once, like in the sunlight. But I added, it won't focus, but I added some holographic butterflies onto it. I'm gonna eat something right now and then I'm gonna do my toes, because who goes to the nail shop anymore? Gross. So yeah, I'll see y'all once I'm done, and I'll just insert a picture of my nails and my toes. And then the next clip will probably be tomorrow when I'm doing my hair. So y'all stay tuned. Bye.